Are you looking for the best immersion blenders? In this video, we will look at some of the best immersion blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mueller Austria Multi-Purpose Immersion Blender. Mueller USA together with Mueller Austria bring to you a superior product that delivers real support in your kitchen and also makes your life relatively more straightforward. It is the Mueller Austria Multi-Purpose Hand Blender, a heavy-duty machine built with a copper motor and finished with stainless steel. The Mueller Ultra Stick Blender features a sophisticated design with exceptional quality, as it has 3 times the capabilities of competing brands. It features a stainless steel set of S-shaped blades, fixed into the motor's body for safety. The ergonomic grip included in the design of this unit enhances its non-slip nature and delivers comfort to users, especially during long blending periods. Concerning use, the Mueller Ultra Stick Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance with a removable blending arm. The fixed blade locks and can blend all your milkshakes, smoothies, baby food and favorite soups in a matter of seconds. It features a free whisk attachment for all your eggs and batters, making the cooking process fun and exciting. There is also a manual included with straightforward directions on how to use the blender when making your salsa, pancakes, pesto, smoothies, batter, and whipped cream recipes, whenever you please. Not forgetting that it can also be used instead of your juicer to make juicy cocktails and chop up your veggies, among others. Number 2. Utilent Immersion Blender. When we first came across the Utilent Immersion Blender, we weren't convinced. It's not made by a well-known kitchen brand and the deal seemed to be too good to be true. But it all adds up. This amazing immersion blender is well made, comes with all of the attachments you see, and is powerful enough for any blending task. The 250-watt motor comes with a choice of 8 speeds and a turbo setting. Even with this power, it's surprisingly quiet. One of the main reasons for buying the Utalent Immersion Blender is the pack of extras it comes with. As well as the blender, you get a mixing wand, milk frother, 500 milliliters food chopper, 600 milliliters beaker, and egg whisk. All of this comes protected under a 2-year warranty. You might not have heard of this brand before, but you certainly won't forget them. Number 3. Braun MQ505 MultiQuick Immersion Blender. Braun has a great reputation for creating high-quality kitchen and bathroom appliances. And we're happy to say, the Braun MQ505 MultiQuick Hand Blender lives up to it. This is one of the best immersion blenders on the market, bringing together a versatile design with durable materials. The attachments are made from stainless steel and the handle from plastic. We'd recommended hand washing the attachments by hand if you want them to last a long time. The motor inside this immersion blender puts out an impressive 350 watts of power. That's enough to cut through thick peanut butter, work with solid vegetables, and whisk milk or eggs in seconds. It comes with a 20-ounce beaker and a whisk attachment for added versatility. Number 4. Cuisinart CSB 175 BKQVC Smart Stick Immersion Blender. Cuisinart is one of the big names in the kitchen appliance game. Almost every product they release is worth checking out, and the Cuisinart CSB 175 BKQVC Smart Stick Hand Blender is no exception. Designed for simplicity and durability, this might not be the most versatile product on this list, but it will last you a lifetime. It has a 300-watt motor to provide plenty of power and a 2-speed control. Our only complaint is that the buttons are awkwardly placed, but it's not a huge issue. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft is well designed and blends smoothies and soups in seconds. However, it doesn't come with any attachments, so it doesn't double up as an egg whisker like most of the products on this list. If you're looking for a reliable hand blender for soups and smoothies, this is perfect. If you want more versatility than that, you'll have to keep looking. Number 5. Breville BSB 510 XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. You won't know how hard it is to make a perfect puree or smoothie until you have to do it without a product like this. The Breville Immersion Blender takes a whole lot of the plate when it comes to the blending process. With its new and improved design, users can expect nothing less than excellence on all levels. With a total of 15 variable speeds, this product ensures that users are completely in the driver's seat when using this. What takes that control to a whole other level is the addition of a state-of-the-art control grip, which is unlike any other. This baby is fitted with an ergonomic handle which is made specifically for comfort. It also features a trigger in its design, which ensures that the hand is positioned as naturally as possible. All this results in more control when it comes to blending as a whole. Though the handle is quite impressive, it is safe to say that the overall design is very user-oriented. There are minute additions here and there that go a long way to make users' lives a lot easier. For instance, the blender is equipped with a non-scratch base which ensures that your pots remain unscathed. Now there goes practicality at a whole new level. For more cool kitchen tools, check out our selection of the best food mills.